Alright, welcome back. Let's carry on with GTA. So we're going to be playing the first mission. Let's see what's going on.
Your son, James. He's a good kid?
He's a good kid?
No, I'm skipping this mission. This conversation.
Come on. Shit, come on.
So remember, trying to familiarize ourselves with our...
Damn, this nigga must got the baby dick.
Yeah, and all this shit paid for with bad credit.
Unbelievable!
Okay, go ahead.
Oh, come to daddy. Which one you want, nigga?
Like that? Bobby big dick on a nigga, huh?
Shit, for real?
Well, I'm trying to skip all these conversations.
Right up here, homie. I'm about to go nice and slow for your bitch ass.
Shit, cool, homie. Hey, remember we gotta be careful with these rides, homie. The Simeon ain't about to stop my pay again.
Homie, man, if you need some bread, I can hook you up with JB's tow truck. It ain't got... Clever, but it's some money to be made.
So him and Tanya can smoke crack in peace? Homie, I'm good.
In the hallway, the long full spray, one leg up on the velour gray. Getting shrouded while I'm eating strudel. We fuck you up so bad that you will never take a normal dude.
Let's show these movie people how we roll.
Now I'm laughing while head is giving. No fucks are given ever, cause I'm right into the core. Yeah, right into the door.
Oh, we filming shit here, huh?
When you see us by the store.
Hey, down this alley here.
Yeah, whatever you say.
This meant to be your shit.
If you wanna chunk them things.
My bitch will choke you out with strong thighs. Strong features in the face from the Winnie. Smoking dope, doing 360s in the mini. She half Dominican and Trini.
We hang on the left.
Uh-huh.
Windsor Real Estate.
Keep busting low.
Whatever, homie.
Left here.
Yeah, that's cool.
Effortlessly informal. Live your life like
You little dick niggas do like them little cars.
Shit, I heard you talk, homie. You big everywhere except where it counts.
Fool, knock
Some
it off.
festival.
How about we let Tanisha decide that?
She definitely ain't dumb enough to fuck with your ass.
fabulous views. Look down on people. Live the American dream. Residing in
Hang 'em right there.
But I hear you.
Windsor Real Estate.
Left through the parking lot.
Okay.
Remember, this is your Terrier's car.
Whatever you say.
Congress's decision to allow Meriwether Security Consulting to expand domestic operations.
Gang crime is on the rise. Experts blame lack of movies.
The funding war between security agencies rages in the capital.
It's official. Epsilonism is not a cult.
Credits roll. Another historic Vinewood movie studio.
The Bossack in wild swings again as stocks drop.
Devin Weston, Los Santos' legendary billionaire investigator, was celebrating along with Don Percival, CEO of a controversial private security business.
Man, I'm sorry,
Weston announced
fool.
his fund had taken an 11% stake in Meriwether. Percival, meanwhile, was happy after defeating a government plan to outlaw domestic operations. Expect more privatized high-security firms to begin domestic operations as the war on terror continues to rage.
Damn.
Gang crime is on the rise, and politicians
Alright,
are
dog.
blaming media coverage and sensationalism. The recent fall in the popularity of gang movies, focusing on both African American and Hispanic street gangs, has led to a rise in gang violence. Experts warned yesterday, as people no longer have movies to warn them of the danger of making bad choices.
Solomon Richards and his struggling Richard's Majestic Studios will be reeling today from the news that another historic movie studio, Lowenstein Pictures, has closed and will be turned into luxury condos. Will there soon be nothing left in America but reality TV and property that nobody can afford?
The funding war between IAA and FIB intensifies after Congress promised to slash spending and both agencies recommend it's the other one.
His fellow Epsilonists were celebrating yesterday after the Supreme Court of the state of San Andreas overturned the Revenue Service's claim that the Epsilon program was a cult and a pyramid scheme
taking the car to the dealership
and therefore should have its charitable status repealed. Mr. Formage, who was believed to have amassed a fortune of several $1 billion, wept on the steps of the courthouse.
I'm Carl Kelly. Markets were volatile as the Bossack Index went into free fall, and then got hit hard before a late rally had everyone really confused. If you want to understand more, pick up my new book, Mounting Bulls and Riding Bears.
That's all right here.
Your prejudices.
What's cracking, Los Santos? Keep it right on 106.1 Radio Los Santos.
Man, shout out Gucci. Let's take it to the east side, baby. I'll fuck with the east side.
Oh,
Bangladesh. Shout out Gucci.
we are here, bro.
I don't get you, bro.
You are a racist and I don't like you. And I will not sell you this car. I will not. You make my skin crawl, you neo-Nazi. You are all the same. You're disgusting. This racist insulted me.
Hey, what's up, fool? Who you calling a nigga?
No, I'm not calling nobody a nigga.
Wait, what the fuck?
I mean, N-word. That's not cool, man.
So, Jimmy, are you sure you are man enough? Take the wheel and show me.
Sure, okay.
Back off, fool. How about we fall through, homie?
That's a wrong card, man.
This chump change. How I'm gonna knock a bad, grown and sexy bitch if I ain't got a fat Pizaki?
Who you trying to impress?
Your auntie Denise. With all that ass, nigga, she got ass.
She grown, yeah. She grown into a fucking idiot.
Nah, she's sexy.
Sexy? She more like obsessed with sex, nigga.
Oh, mad for the penis. That's exactly how I like my women.
Unsuspecting but inappropriate neighbors from the comfort of your couch. Whether it's aliens trying to colonize Earth, zombies trying to feast on brains, monkeys spreading the plague, or children begging for a sip of water from your carefully ordered supplies, they've all got to be suppressed, which is why our bulk buy discount is proving so popular on shelves, as well as bullets. When 1 million zombies come running over the hill, you'll be really pissed you didn't buy enough bullets. When the apocalypse gets here, don't dial 911, dial 357. Ammunition, protecting your rights.
House is not far.
Man, shit, it's good to be home.
Where you going, mother?
You are special. You have discovered something unique. Share it with your friends so you can loathe them. Radio Mirror Park.
What's up? Can a low come up in your crib?
Man, fuck you. I'll see you at work.
Oh, nigga, don't hate me because I'm beautiful, nigga. Maybe you got rid of that old yee-yee ass haircut you got, you get some bitches on your dick. Oh, better yet, maybe Tanisha will call your dog ass if she ever stop fucking with that
Hold on, bros. Hold on. Okay, let's carry on, man.
brain surgeon, the lawyer she fucking with, nigga.
What?
son?
Hey, what's up, Simeon? My dear boy, so good to see you. So good. Hold me.
Yeah, look, man. Look, we've been working together for about a few months now, right?
Which is why I am very honored to announce to you that you are Employee of the Month, huh? Anyway, congratulations. It wasn't easy picking a winner.
Yeah, me, Lamar, your nephew Sacha with the Twitch. Look, man, it's been a real honor, homie. But I gotta move forward in my life. It seems like all I do is let people tell me what to do and I do it and nothing changes.
I tell you what, my boy. You tell me exactly what you want, and I will very carefully explain to you why it cannot be.
What?
Today is repossessing vehicles that fools have purchased at exorbitant interest rates. But tomorrow, together, I never had a black son. But if I did, I want him to be just like you.
Knock, knock, niggas.
Hello,
What's up,
Lamar.
What's up, homie? What's up, then, homie?
What's up, dog?
Franklin here has been awarded Employee of the Month.
You fucking with me, right?
Man, we both being fucked with, dog.
Man, knock it off, man. For real, after all the motherfucking work I put in, man.
Man, fuck this Employee of the Month shit, homie. I'm sitting up here trying
What
to get
you
us...
mean, fuck this Employee of the Month shit, man? When there's some shit to be won, goddammit, I want it. I don't give a fuck. Let's go to Vespucci, Magellan Ave. And you still rolling with that old raggedy ass hair? That country bumpkin shit is enough to get us shot right there.
I never took you to be old hairstylist type bitch, but now it's all starting to make sense. Hey, wasn't that motherfucker who took the bike that S.A. Vagos dude with the tattoo on his face and shit?
Yeah, that was him.
Fuck, homie. I don't want no unnecessary bullshit here, all right?
Nigga, I don't give a shit. There's a reason Simeon pays a couple of mean-looking motherfuckers to come repo this shit. We ain't Girl Scouts.
In your case, I ain't so sure about that.
Man, step up, nigga. Of course this dude real. Who else gonna have to require surplus of paper and deficiency of brain cells? He just put a dub down on this bike.
20 G? With a 3G note? Damn, that motherfucker must be tricked out, dog.
Man, this whole setup designed to take drug money.
All right, man, look, we go in quiet. In and out, no fucking drama.
I'll try, homie, but I'm one loud, dramatic, brass, crazy, greedy, shoot a motherfucker in the back type motherfucker. And you love me for it, nigga.
That's right, homie. Nothing but love, nigga.
That Simeon a funny dude, though. It's gonna be a shame when we get to book his ass and jack him for all this shit.
What the fuck you talking about? You a psychotic motherfucker.
That's how shit work, ain't it? You do some jobs for a fool, develop a little uneasy relationship, and then they ask you to do something above and beyond. You fall out, fools get capped, and then you start all over again with some other fool.
Where the fuck you get that from? That ain't my life, dummy.
How about the boy with the eye from around the way? Marcus or something? You was slanking for him, and then he got what was coming, right?
That was different. That dude had it coming.
I don't want to clap my boy Utarian either. I like homie. This just smacks of the inevitable.
Look, dawg, this time we legit, homie. This honest work is gonna end up with us coming up in the world.
The bike should be in one of the lockups down here.
Should be is the story of your life, asshole.
Do as I do, nigga. Think this crazy motherfucker wants something.
Why am I not climbing?
Hey, what's up, homie? You all right?
No, wait from me! Bongisipho agents!
Yeah, you thought I was gonna hit your bitch ass, huh? Drunk ass nigga. Man, why I gotta have a lazy ass homie like your motherfucking ass?
Oh, they told me the wrong party.
bitch.
Ooh, I like this
Man, I don't
car.
like this shit one bit. Hey, look, let's keep it smooth, homie.
Man, your pussy the only thing that's smooth up in this shit.
Man, what exactly did I do in a past life to deserve your stupid ass?
This a routine lick, dog. Chill.
Do them Vagos look routine? This a shady-ass alley.
Shit, we in Vespucci Beach.
We on the wrong side of Vespucci Beach. You should know a block makes a difference.
Hey, hold up. It's in one of these lockups. Come on, man, let's get it before these fools get back. It got to be this other one. If that wasn't it... Ain't nowhere else it could be. Man, ain't this spot a bitch? Ain't no motherfucking bike in here, man.
No shit, nigga.
Hola, amigos.
Hola, S.A.
Oh, we saw you trying to creep up in here, man.
Yeah? You saw this motherfucker?
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit!
Vamos! Fucking down. Come on down, everybody. Come on down.
Hey, nigga, I would've just got my ass beat over a fucking gunfight.
Man, stop being a pussy, nigga, and grab that heat.
You're gonna die.
Bríncale, homie. Just on luck, homie. Hit the floor, homie. Find your bitch ass and cover.
Give me you idiot motherfucker.
I will. You gotta go now. These marks don't even know what we're here for.
You just blast they people. That might be why they irritated.
Hey, asshole! It's time to get shot! Need a sec.
See?
Cover your ass!
We ain't got beef with you.
You was a mark if I ever seen one. Here's some fucking man. Shit, on your left. Fuck this.
Eduardo, escape.
Jeans, keep your head down. Mátalo! And get that out of my face. What you got, big nigga?
We need cover, home.
Get your fucking head down. Motherfuckers got us closed in here. Hey, get cover over there by the truck. Reloading. Motherfuckers on the scalpel is on me. Shoot up that cannon. Get those fools. Fuck, they must have heard some shit. Find your bitch ass some cover. Get out of here, man. Shit about to get real. Good looking, homie. Shit, on your left.
Got a man down. I gotta reload. Hey, motherfuckers right here.
What was your daddy saying? He you out.
Just another day at the motherfucking office.
Man, you got beat with an ugly stick. Ugly ass. Yeah. We trapped down this alley. Get in behind that truck, homie.
I fucking hate
They got me pinned down. Shoot that gas can. Ah! Ah! Follow me. Let's get through this. Damn, it's a gang of niggas out here. They got their whole hood with them.
You sure pick the right people to pick a fight with, nigga.
Man, you make a punk look like a G. These marks don't even know what we're here for.
You just blast they people. That might be why they irritated.
You's an ugly motherfucker. Hit the fucking... Ah! Oh, shit! Marco's on this bitch! Valley. Homie, get out of here. Piece of shit. Nigga need help over here. Hit the floor, homie. You motherfucking asshole. Don't let him escape. You give Buster some bad names. Up there, to the right. Up there, shoot that nigga. Bust his ass.
It's going fucking down!
You'll get PC'd up.
Where you gonna go?
Hey, step aside, motherfucker.
You new kind of hook, motherfucker. What? Please keep your hand down. You a sad motherfucking bitch. Ah! Look out! They running on you!
That's it.
Oh,
Nowhere
shit.
to escape now.
Get your fucking head down! Ah! Get that car, homie! Some more of them niggas! And fuck it! Shoot the gas, homie! Shit! Go! What was your daddy drink? Boom! You deadly motherfucker! You still breathing, homie?
Yeah, barely, homie.
Shit, we gotta get the fuck away from this shit.
Man, we only came here for a bite.
That motherfucker is right there. Let's get it!
Man, this is fucking crazy.
Man, I said punch it, homie.
Nigga, I should punch your ass for kicking that shit off. Bike don't mean nothing, homie.
Oh, we need to get the biker. We need to get the biker.
May as well get this shit done.
We really gonna repo after all this bullshit.
You know you the designated. Let's get him, homie. I want to get paid.
Paid ain't worth shit when you doing 25 with an L. We massacred those motherfuckers. Shit.
Motherfuckers getting away from him.
That's because he's sitting on 140 cubic inches right there, nigga.
Oh, shit, Professor, you're right. And watch that shit, homie. This punk get away, we're going down, homie. He gonna pin us for all these bodies.
And whose fault is that, Mr. 80s action movie body count motherfucker?
Don't play the blame game, just get on this shit. Man, you lost him already.
That's a monster fucking bike you riding, stupid.
God damn. Pop that fool. We need him on his ass so we can get what we came for. You slipping, fool. That's the bike we came for. You letting this fool go. You was right on top of him. Get that bike back! Man, what's wrong with you? I'll drive next time. We want your bike, bitch.
Every time I'm this close, I'm crashing.
Time to get that shit up, you no credit motherfucker. We gotta watch out. Take the bike and meet me at the car wash round the way. All right, I'll see you over there.
Where's the bike?
Psychopath. You done finally fucking lost it.
Nigga, that's that Apache blood in me, homie. You ain't lucky I ain't do a flying tomahawk and scalp they motherfucking ass.
We can't repo the assets of a dead man, big sitting chief asshole.
Nigga, and we ain't going to neither, nigga. I'm gonna keep this motherfucker for myself. Tell Simeon we couldn't recover.
You fucking tell him, you fucking moron!
Ooh, there's my car. He brought my car back.
You're a racist.
What?
You don't like me because you think that I am an Arab.
What? No. What are you talking about?
Excuse
like
me.
That. Wait.
That
oh, wait,
boy. I am his mentor. I am so proud of you.
What do you mean, a mentor?
Don't worry about that.
Okay, so what you got for me?
James De Santa. Some kid. He is already late on his payments, and I have this bad feeling. So, Mr. Kenneth, were we at financing?
The financing, it seems like a shitty deal.
Hey, did you change your mind?
When I discover that you betray me, perhaps. I hear you took the bike for yourself, my employee of the month.
Listen, man, me and Lamar was gonna get that back to you, dawg.
Oh, I am sure. You will get this car off the daddy's boy, and then we talk. Insurance papers say they have a locked garage, so you'll need to gain access from inside the house.
Man, it's never easy with you, is it, Simmy?
Do not talk to me about easy, you thief.
Take this car.
Breaking news.
This one.
A gang
Green
shootout
one.
in Puerto del Sol.
Excitement is building for Life Invaders' new product launch.
A breakthrough in the notorious Leonora Johnson case.
The Sonora Desert, a hotbed for illegal arms trafficking from South America.
Is the going out of business? Some hope so.
Erupted in gang violence yesterday as a bloody massacre left several Vagos gang members dead. A trail of devastation and no clear idea what happened or why. Police don't know if this means drug wars between Hispanic gangs have reignited or if this was simply a deal or an altercation gone terribly wrong.
The smuggling of weapons from the U.S. into Mexico has transformed the Sonora Desert region into a war zone in recent months, with rival traffickers included.
Who are you?
Next time I'm shooting him. Next time I'm shooting him in the head. So I'm not supposed to make a single noise.
Fuck you, man. You don't belong.
Let's see.
That's just because you have a massive gaper, bitch.
Fucking homo, you're dead. Dad! He said I had a massive... Jimmy called me a bitch!
You tried to knife attack me? No one creeps on the J-Dog, my niggas. LOL, you suck. Ooh, ouch! Rape arena! Get off my face, you lucky homo! You're a waste of semen, bitch! Ooh, slaughter time!
I still love him, though. Sort of. Well, the other day, I walked in on him, and he was jerking off over pictures of my friends. And interesting, it's just that, you know, guys don't... They just don't get you.
Dead, you fucking idiot! I'll cut your dick off if you call the administrator. Hey, you know what? I am the administrator.
Thank you, Coach.
What the hell?
You're a real pro, Mrs. DeSanta. A real pro. Well, you're a great student. Now just loosen up those hips.
Okay, like this?
Yeah, loosen them up. There you go. And follow through. Perfect.
Car is still here. What's going to happen to my car?
Hey, Simeon, I got the ride, man. I'm coming back.
If you actually bring the repossession to me this time, I can have it back out on the street before the day is done.
That's a
What
9mm
the hell?
semi-automatic pushed against your skull. Well, look around. You just keep driving where you're going.
Hey, come on, man. This was a repo job. Guy was behind on his fucking note.
Unlikely, considering my son just got the car. And looking at the way you're going about this, my guess, you're working a credit fraud.
A credit fraud? Be serious, dude.
What are you, a fucking idiot?
I just worked the fucking repo.
I appreciate a kid who follows orders without taking responsibility. Yeah, maybe one day we'll have a beer, and I'll explain how the world really works. Who gives you the slip?
A car dealer, dawg, by the name of Simeon Yateri.
So this businessman, he look legit to you?
Look, man, this is just between him and your fucking son.
Don't worry. Me and Mr. Yetarian. We'll work this out.
Hey, man, it's Jess up here.
Okay. Stop the car. Hold on.
I don't get it. Why is the rape? Maybe it's at the top or something.
That the place?
Yeah, this the place, man.
Whoa. Drive into it. Right through the fucking window. And fast. Or I'll put 2 rounds in the back of your skull and do it myself.
Man, you can't be for real.
I look like a fucking joke to you.
Man, fuck my life, man. Fuck it.
Let's go!
Franklin! What the fuck are you doing? Mr. Samuel, it's not exactly how it looks.
I always trump big for a job well done. Now get out of here, kid.
You motherfucker! See now, you've pissed me off.
You think you could take me for a ride? You recognize this car? Huh? Does it look like it's worth $5 grand a month to you?
You fucking racist!
I'll tell you something. This thing's gonna need some serious body work before it's worth $5 grand a month.
He agreed to financing. I have his signature.
Yeah. Did he agree to have some punk break into my fucking house?
I don't know.
That kid might be a fucking idiot. But you are a fraudulent scumbag piece of shit. Ugh. Don't make me have to come back here.
Oh, so he plays him now. Mission passed. Alright, I think that's all for today, bro.
Say again? How the fuck we get fired?
Man, it was partly all that bullshit you pulled, and partly the repo's old man making me crash the car into the dealership.
Ha! You the crazy ass motherfucker in this partnership. You better spin him while you got him.
Yeah, if you say so. Oh, well, fuck this.
I huffed enough gas to fill my rocket ship 3 times
look the fuck out.
space shuttle, and I smoked more than a train. It hauls out the black hole, which keeps the lights on in my
fuck
home.
this shit.
The food on my table, and shoes on my feet, and a coat on my back. And that's all I get to say because that's all I've got.
I think we've had fun for the day, bro. I think we've had fun for the day. Like, share, and subscribe. Going to come back and play another mission. Bye bye.